Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset PS5 controller to factory settings with quick and easy steps. Before that, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. First of all, you need to make sure that PS5 console is on, like in my case. After that, take PS5 controller in your hand, look for the reset hole on the back. Using the SIM ejector tool or similar, press in there for 5 to 10 seconds or until you see a message on the PS5 home screen that is DualSense wireless controller disconnected. And that's it, you have successfully reset the PS5 controller to factory settings. Now let's learn how to reconnect it. Again on the controller, press the PS button. This will turn up the lights and you will see a quick controller icon accompanied by battery on the PS home screen. This confirms that controller is connected. In case it's not connected, then you need to use the PS5 controller wire that comes with console. Make sure your controller is turned off before performing the next step. Connect the controller using USB to PS5 console and press the PS button on the controller. Again, this will bring the lights on the controller and you will see the controller battery icon. And you can see that I'm able to manage console from controller. I hope this helps. If you have any query related to this video, then feel free to share in the comments. Thanks for watching.